Hi y'all, welcome back to another video, and if you are new, hi, my name is Shanny. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. What's up? What's good with you? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this simple back to school slash fall makeup look. So if you guys are interested in how I got this look, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, so I don't normally start off with skincare, but I felt like let's just start off with skincare because I feel like my skin looks really good right now. If y'all didn't know, I'm actually obsessed with like my skin. Well, not my skin, but I'm obsessed with skincare. Whenever I get new skincare, I'm just like, yes, this might be it. So if y'all have recommendations of what I can use to better my skin, like stuff that will help with under eye darkness, please let me know, because I'm always looking for new skincare that's going to work. So for moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream Extra Dry Skin Cream. Why was that such a long title? Okay. This is what it looks like, and one of you guys recommended it to me because I usually use the Clinique Dramatically Different lotion, hydrating lotion. I was complaining because I got the wrong product. I got the gel instead of the lotion, and it doesn't do the same thing. I'll still be dry. So somebody told me to try this, and I actually like it, but I think it's a little harsh for my skin because the skin around my nose is really sensitive. So when I try a new product, I put it all over my face and in between this area, and it just is too harsh. It's a little too harsh for my skin. I like it. It actually works, but it be burning. So I just kind of avoid that area and put some oil right there so it don't be dry. That's the moisturizer for today. For eye cream, I'm using this Peter Thomas Roth Vitamin C cream for up under my eyes. Usually I do this when I wake up in the morning. Well, not when I wake up in the morning, after I brush my teeth and everything. I like it to sit in my skin for a little bit just to make sure it's working. So I put this up under my eyes and on top to make sure my eyes are being moisturized. And I like putting it on my nose because it makes my skin really glowy. Alright, and then I'm going to seal everything in with this Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water, and I really like it. They sent this to me a while ago. I feel like it makes my skin look really glowy, and it smells really good, and I love the spray on it. It creates like a really fine mist. So yeah. Chapstick. I'm using the lip conditioner from MAC. Oh, another thing about that spray, the Fresh spray, I feel like it makes my skin like tingly. Like a minty feeling, if that makes sense. I love it. Alright, so I'm going for a really simple makeup look. So let's start with brows because that's what I always do, start with brows. And I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. Yes, Espresso. I still feel like my face isn't dry. So I'm just going to lightly fill in my brows. I did them last night, so they look pretty good. I like for the bottom part of my brow to be really defined. And then once I like the way it looks, I'm going to flick some hairs upward. Fill in this part of my brow because literally hair does not grow right there. So annoying. So I'm just going to feather in some hairs. Probably should have used my dip brow for this. It's all good. So that's it for my brows. I'm really not trying to do much to my brows, so that's it. For primer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer, and put this in the center of my face because it just fills in all the texture that's right here and makes everything look super smooth. Foundation, I'm going to use my NARS Natural Radiant mixed with my CoverGirl Healthy Elixir foundation in 775. And I'm not using a lot of foundation. I'm using a little bit. For concealer, I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC50. I want it to be really light right here, so I took a lighter concealer to highlight right here. Now I'm taking my Real Technique brush and set my eyes. Now I'm taking the Sephora Micro Smooth to set my face. Alright, so for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Reveal 2 palette from Coastal Scents. And I'm just going to do something real light. I'm taking this Morphe M505 brush. And I'm going to take this color right here and put that on my eyelid. Now I'm taking brown script because it's in front of me and just putting this on my transition area. Now I'm going to take this black and the palette and thicken up my lash band. And the brush that I'm using is a Morphe M4 32 brush. And I'm going to add mascara. Alright, so for lashes, I'm using the Kiss lashes in Page Boy. They come in a multi-pack like this, but I really like the lashes. They're super pretty. So I'm just going to pop these on. Now I'm contouring with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso. To highlight, I'm taking Becca's Topaz highlighter. And for my lips, I use the NYX Suede lip liner in Downtown Beauty. And I put this Revlon, I really don't know what this is, but it's by Revlon. And it's just this coral neutral pink color. And that's what's on my lips. Alright, so this is the finished look, you guys. I really like how it came out. I like it. It's simple, but it's glam. This is kind of giving me fall back to school vibes, so I think that's what I'm going to title this video. Oh, let me set my face or my spray. Taking this fresh spray. So I look hydrated and glowy. Alright, now I'm done. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next upload.